Hey, what's going on, man? It's your boy Darren, man, aka ToxDesigns, aka D Dot. People call me a bunch of stuff, man, but I'm here today for unboxing for my boy, no other than GullyVisionaries. Check him out, man. He's a hard worker. He's a grinder. Instagram is GullyVisionaries. That's GullyVisionaries. That's his Instagram. Or you can go to GullyVisionaries.com. Boy was having a sale back in October around the Halloween season. I said, cool, let me check it out. It was a nice little shirt. He had a few shirts for sale, a few hoodies for sale. Get into apparel or put on some flower hoodies, just check them out. But yeah, we're gonna have an unboxing right now or unwrapping. So yeah, let's get started. All right, take it to the couch. All right, so this is the package right here. And let's get to opening. Nice. Nice. So we got this. Not for mass consumption. This is dope, man. Really digging the art. 2-color design. Clean. Jason, Freddy. It's pretty dope, man. Yo, thank you, bro, for the sale. Thank you for the swag. Yeah, let's go ahead and try this on. Let's get out, man. Yes, man. This shirt is fire. Like, I grew up watching these too, man. Like, this is fire, man. Yo, Gully, thank you so much, bro, for this, bro. Like, these could have been going crazy. Like, I would have ran this crazy, yo. Yo, man, when you watch this, yo, tell me how many of these joints you sold, bro. Cause this, you keep this in rotation, bro. This is fire, bro. Not even for Halloween, just on the general, just like it is, bro. And yeah, not for mass consumption. So yo, bro, thank you so much, man. We family, bro. I appreciate you, bro. God bless you, man. I pray that your family get blessed, man. The work in your hands, bro. Like, just keep your drive up. Keep that intensity up. Keep your foot on their neck, man. Yeah, thank you again, bro. Peace.